Hi, so today we're going to be talking about prokaryotic transcriptional regulation, and more specifically, I'm going to be focusing on negative inducible regulation, which is this first box right here that I have surrounded in red. That's just a textbook example. So we will start out here, and we're going to look at the operon, which the operon is the region that the RNA polymerase is going to go across and transcribe the DNA into mRNA. So the RNA polymerase, it will attach at the promoter region that is within the operon, and then there will be a regulatory protein that will attach to the operator region within the operon, which we'll touch on in a second. And then there also are these structural genes at the end after the operator. So in inducible transcriptional regulation, transcription is off. But there are ways that that the gene will turn that transcription back on. So what needs to happen is, in the case of inducible, we are given a repressor protein that will be seen on the operon. And with the repressor proteins, they are basically what's making transcription be off. And think about it as if it's this grumpy man named Mr. Repressor, and he just doesn't want to let anyone get by. So he doesn't want to let the RNA polymerase get by. And so in order to appease him and to allow the RNA polymerase to get by him and continue transcription beyond him, you need to give him this little blue wig, and we're going to call that an effector. So the effector is going to bind to the regulatory protein. And so now Mr. Repressor is over here with his blue wig, and he's happy, and he's going to let the RNA polymerase go by. So in a sense, you can think of Mr. Repressor as a thing. So think of it as he's only the thing when he has the little blue wig on. So have you ever seen the Cat in the Hat? You'll know what a thing is. You give them a task, and you tell them to do one thing, and they do that exact opposite. So in this case, Mr. Repressor, before he has the blue wig, he's been told not to let the RNA polymerase go by. But now, we've given him the blue wig and he thinks that he's a thing. So now that he thinks he's a thing, he's not going to keep the RNA polymerase from going by anymore. So he is going to let him go right on through. That is essentially negative inducible transcriptional regulation.